Hi again, it's Karen. And today, since we were reading Grumpy Unicorn, I decided to make a very colorful unicorn. The library will provide you with a paper plate with some holes. We will give you also the yarn for the unicorn's mane. We will provide you with the ears. How do we say ears en español? Las orejas, muy bien. And we will provide you with the muzzle, el hocico, o la nariz, the nose of the unicorn, and some tinfoil paper so you can create the unicorn's horn. And at home, you might need tape, scissors, tijeras, a marker, un marcador, and a box of crayons, una caja de crayones. So this craft will help your child to develop their fine motor skills. It is very difficult for them to start using their pincers and also to learn how to make knots. This helps them tie their shoes when they start kindergarten, because sometimes teachers won't have the time to help them out, and so they have to go and be ready. So you will let them put the yarn inside the holes. You can cut the yarn in different pieces so the hair can look very spunky, and then you'll glue the muzzle and the ears, and then you will grab your tinfoil paper and let them make the horn. Okay, they can do it and just roll it and roll it and roll it, so that way they have a nice horn for the unicorn. You can cut it out and then you will tape it in the back of your craft. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Please call 561-965-2204. Hasta pronto. Adiós.